All right, everyone. So welcome to 365 Tech World, another how-to episode that we are bringing in today. So in today's video, we are going to talk about how you can use ChatGPT to basically get your activities done. So before going into the video, I would like to give a small introduction as to what ChatGPT is. I'm quite sure most of you know what ChatGPT is, but if you don't know, this introduction will help you. So ChatGPT is basically a natural language processing tool which is powered by artificial intelligence technology that basically allows us humans to have human-like conversations and much more with the ChatGPT chatbot. So that is the basic definition as to what ChatGPT is. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Let's first of all let's go into the ChatGPT website. So if you are new to accessing ChatGPT, you can simply select Google. You can type in ChatGPT, and that will basically take you to the OpenAI ChatGPT link where you can click and then open up the website. So this video assumes that you already have a ChatGPT account and you are ready to log in and then start playing around with the conversation AI bot. So without further ado, let's click on login, and that will basically take us to the login page. So here what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my user credentials. And then I'll enter my password. And you get to select three options. So here I'll select ChatGPT, and that will basically bring up the ChatGPT interface. So this is the ChatGPT interface where you can basically then start interacting with the program. So for an example, let's say you are someone who wants to start a YouTube channel, but you don't know what is a good name for your YouTube channel. So you can basically ask ChatGPT to basically generate few naming ideas for a good YouTube channel. Let's say you want to type like this: I want to create a YouTube channel for travel. Suggest me some naming ideas. So there you go. ChatGPT will basically give you some great naming ideas so that you can use those naming ideas to basically create a channel. In the second example, let's say you are someone who wants to write an essay about artificial intelligence. So you are basically asking ChatGPT to do that. So let's say write an essay about artificial intelligence in 2000 words, and it will basically compose the essay related to artificial intelligence in 2000 words. So that's how you can interact with ChatGPT. In the final example, let's say that you are an IT professional and you want to basically find a PowerShell script to basically create users in a service like Office 365. So that way you can also ask ChatGPT to generate PowerShell scripts on behalf of you. So for an example, let's say create a PowerShell script to create a new user in Office 365. So in this example, I'm asking ChatGPT to basically create a PowerShell script for me to create a new user in Office 365. So let's see what it gives me. There you go. It will basically give you the whole PowerShell script, so you can simply copy and paste that into your PowerShell environment and then get the user created by basically replacing some of the user principal names and parameters such as last name, first name, etc. To what you want. So there you go. You have seen how you can use ChatGPT in this video. So I hope you found this video useful, and if you found this video useful, do not forget to like the video, and also do not forget to subscribe to our channel. So until next time, stay tuned and I'll see you soon. Thank you.